So, how to fix Instagram comments problem? Hello guys, so on this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments problem easily and fast. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to apps, now go to the apps manager, scroll all the way until you find Instagram, click on it, click here on this force stop option. When you click on it, now go down to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and then click on the data usage option, scroll until right here you will find all the network access of the app, or what you have to do is make sure that all the options are enabled like this. Now go back and this time go to the Play Store and right here search for Instagram and then click here on update to update your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.